Is Toyota quality going down lately?
The world's most dependable brand just lost its crown in spectacular fashion. For decades, Toyota stood as the unshakable pillar of automotive excellence while competitors stumbled through recalls and quality disasters. According to the latest NHTSA data and J.D. Power's 2025 dependability study, Toyota has recalled 847,000 vehicles across 12 different models in just 18 months. Engine failures are destroying Camrys, gearbox disasters are crippling RAV4s, and safety system malfunctions are plaguing multiple vehicle lines. According to Consumer Reports' comprehensive reliability analysis, we now have documented proof of which exact model years are turning into financial disasters for owners. This isn't another marketing puff piece. This is your financial protection against Toyota's crumbling reliability myth that's already cost owners thousands in unexpected repairs. We're about to examine the evidence that Toyota's marketing department desperately hopes you'll never see. Engine disasters. Let's start with the most shocking category, engine disasters that are destroying Toyota's legendary powertrain reputation. The 2022 through 2024 Camry's 2.5-liter four-cylinder power plant is experiencing an oil consumption crisis. According to NHTSA complaint data, owners report adding multiple quarts between service intervals, with some vehicles requiring oil top-offs every 1,000 miles. The issue stems from faulty piston ring design that allows oil to burn in the combustion chamber. Dealers often dismiss initial complaints as normal consumption until engines seize completely, leaving owners with repair bills exceeding $8,000. But the Camry's problems pale in comparison to what's happening with the Highlander. According to J.D. Power's dependability findings, the Highlander's 3.5-liter V6 experiences premature timing chain stretch, creating rattling noises during cold starts. Affected owners face repair bills exceeding $4,500 when the chain jumps, timing and damages valves. The problem affects both all-wheel drive and front-wheel drive variants. Independent mechanics report seeing these failures as early as 35,000 miles, well before traditional maintenance intervals. The Tacoma isn't escaping this engine nightmare either. According to Toyota service bulletins, the Tacoma's direct injection V6 accumulates carbon deposits on intake valves, causing rough idling and power loss. The cleaning procedure costs $800 to $1,200 and typically needs repeating every 60,000 miles. This affects 2020 through 2024 model years most severely. The problem worsens in cold climates where short trips prevent engines from reaching optimal operating temperatures. Even the reliable Corolla is showing cracks. According to automotive technician reports, the Corolla's 2.0-liter dynamic force engine experiences accelerated wear in high-mileage applications. Rideshare drivers report excessive oil consumption and rough running after 80,000 miles. The issue appears linked to aggressive fuel-saving strategies that compromise lubrication during extended operation. Transmission failures. Now, let's examine the transmission failures that are crippling Toyota's reputation for mechanical excellence. The RAV4's all-wheel drive system is experiencing catastrophic meltdowns. According to Consumer Reports' dependability data, these systems fail between 40,000 and 80,000 miles. The rear differential overheats and seizes, leaving owners stranded with repair bills exceeding $6,000. This predominantly affects 2019 through 2022 model years. The electronic coupling unit fails to disengage properly, causing excessive heat buildup during highway driving. Many owners report no warning signs before complete system failure. Manual transmission Tacoma owners face their own nightmare. According to owner testimony 2020 through 2023, Tacoma manual transmissions suffer from premature clutch wear and synchronizer damage. Third gear becomes nearly impossible to engage smoothly, requiring complete gearbox rebuilds costing $5,500 to $4,000. The issue appears linked to inadequate lubrication in the synchronizer assemblies. Professional drivers report the problem manifests during heavy towing or off-road use. The family-friendly Sienna isn't immune either. According to warranty claim analysis, the Sienna's 8-speed automatic transmission hesitates during acceleration, particularly when merging onto highways. The transmission control module requires reprogramming, but many owners report the fix only provides temporary relief. Replacement transmissions cost $8,500 to $7,000. The issue becomes dangerous in traffic situations requiring immediate acceleration. Even Toyota's hybrid flagship is failing. Safety system malfunctions. The third category of failures involves Toyota's much-praised safety systems, which are now creating dangerous situations instead of preventing them. Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 systems are triggering false emergency braking events across multiple models. The system misinterprets shadows, bridges, and oncoming traffic as collision threats. The lane keeping assist system is creating even more dangerous scenarios that can destabilize vehicles at highway speeds. The issue particularly affects Corolla and Camry models from 2021 through 2024, with some incidents resulting in loss of control.
It seems to move back and forth in the lane, so that's not so good.
Blind spot monitoring systems are also failing their basic function. According to reliability surveys, these systems in 2022 through 2024, Highlander and 4Runner models fail to detect vehicles consistently. The sensors become contaminated with road debris and require frequent cleaning or replacement, costing $800 to $1,200 per sensor. Actionable guidance. So what should smart buyers do to protect themselves from this reliability collapse? First, avoid these specific model years completely. The 2022 through 2024 Camry suffers from the oil consumption epidemic. The 2019 through 2022 RAV4 faces AWD system failures. The 2020 through 2023 Tacoma has transmission grinding issues. The 2023 through 2024 Highlander experiences timing chain problems. However, according to long-term reliability data, some Toyota models still maintain above average dependability. The 2018 through 2021 Corolla, manufactured before TSS 2.0 implementation, remains solid. The 2019 through 2021 Prius, with proven hybrid systems, continues performing well. The 2020 through 2022 Avalon, though discontinued, still offers reliable transportation. For any Toyota purchase, demand documentation of timing chain, tensioner replacement, transmission fluid analysis, and TSS 2.0 software updates. Budget an additional $2,000 to $3,000 for potential repairs during the first year of ownership. This isn't pessimism, it's financial protection based on documented failure patterns. Financial reality. The financial reality is harsh for current Toyota owners. According to automotive warranty analysis, Toyota owners now face average repair costs 34% higher than the industry standard once factory coverage expires. The brand's legendary durability reputation masks these expensive modern failures that occur just outside warranty periods. The market is responding to this reliability decline. According to automotive finance data, extended warranty purchases have increased 67% among Toyota buyers, indicating declining confidence in the brand's long-term dependability. Independent repair shops report Toyota-specific work has doubled since 2020. Third-party warranty providers now classify certain Toyota models as high-risk categories, increasing premium costs by 25 to 40%. Even Toyota's dealer network is struggling with the fallout. According to dealership management surveys, Toyota service departments are experiencing unprecedented appointment backlogs due to reliability-related repairs. Average wait times for major powertrain work now exceed 3 weeks at most locations. Parts availability has become critical, with timing chain kits and transmission components on national backorder status. Industry implications. This represents more than isolated quality control problems. According to automotive industry analysts, Toyota's dependability collapse reflects the broader shift toward complex technology over proven engineering. Software integration and cost-cutting measures have compromised the mechanical excellence that built Toyota's reputation over decades. The implications extend beyond individual ownership experiences. Toyota's reliability decline signals fundamental changes in automotive manufacturing priorities. According to multiple industry sources, the pressure to integrate advanced technology while maintaining competitive pricing has created quality compromises that owners are discovering through expensive repairs. Smart buyers must now research individual model years rather than trusting brand reputation alone. The Toyota badge no longer guarantees dependability. It requires the same scrutiny you'd apply to any manufacturer. Brand loyalty without data-driven decision-making has become financially dangerous in today's automotive market. The evidence is clear, documented, and verifiable. Toyota's reliability collapse isn't speculation or isolated incidents. It's a systematic quality decline affecting multiple model lines across several years. Owners are paying the price through unexpected repairs, decreased resale values, and lost confidence in a brand they trusted for decades. Which Toyota disappointment shocked you most? Share your ownership experiences in the comments below, and subscribe for more documented automotive truth that protects your wallet from marketing deception. The facts speak louder than any advertising campaign.